Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you how to tint the back window of this BMW. So we're gonna put some liquid. This is like dryer sheet. So you apply it, let it dry out so the film easily can shrink. So let's get it drying. Right, so we're gonna measure how wide it is. So 120 by roughly 50. 120 by 50 can give a little bit of more space just in case you cut it not straight or something like that. Like I'm doing it right now. Right, now we have to make a H pattern. Spray down and make a H pattern, so not too much water. Just do this. Check the liner. Which way is the liner? It's supposed to be outwards. Put it in place. Take it down. Now we're gonna grab ourselves a squeegee so we can tag down the edges. So it's still wet, so we're gonna do on the edge, tag it down. Same on this side. Tag it down. So you go like this. I didn't let it dry enough. You should let it dry a little bit longer because it can float, but for me it's fine. So let's start shrinking. So as you can see, it wrinkles up and you can push it down. Wrinkles up and push it down. Now you can see if it's going like this or something like this, you need to lift it a little bit. So you can pull it down. Right, so we shrank the bottom, now we're gonna shrink the top. Right, so we shrank the top now, and we're gonna mark with the marker the top edge. So you need to cut it to the dotted matrix, a little bit above it, okay? And the top you won't be able to cut it because it's the spoiler, but it doesn't matter, you can use a marker to mark it up. So let's cut it around, just slightly a little bit above the black dotted matrix. Have the light in the background, and just cut it all around. Right, so you can see I marked with a marker. It's not a straightest line, but when I'm gonna put it on the board, it's gonna be all right. I'm gonna put it off. So yeah, let's get that done and apply the film. Right guys, so you put it on the board, now you can see the marker that I marked. So we're gonna try to go slightly above it and make it look perfect. So straight, without messing around too much. Don't follow exactly that silver line because I did not put it perfectly. So now it looks perfectly. I know this looks wiggly, but it's actually straight. Right, now we're gonna clean the back window and apply the film. So a simple way of cleaning the window is plastic razor blade. Not a normal one, plastic. Just go over all the defroster lines. I have the special sticker for Spain for certification. So just need to go over it. That one a little bit. So very important to clean all the plastics around, because you can catch some dust, especially these little things, because you're gonna touch the film. So just all around, should get less contamination basically, and then spray it down and clean the window. So using this type of squeegee, you just go around. And if anybody wants to know what window film we use, it's a SunGuard, our own brand, but you can use whatever you want. I just know that our film is good, so it's sunguardfilms.com. Right, so you can go over multiple times, but this window is clean, so we don't have to. So we're gonna spray down and apply the film. Right, let's bring it over, and usually you need to walk backwards if it's open doors. So position your hands correctly and start with one corner. Catch one corner, let the bottom hang. As you can see, I'm letting the bottom hang. Try to avoid all these little plastics, like here, you know, and get it in place where it's supposed to be. No white gaps. Have it in place, perfect. Now we just have to squeegee out the water. Right, so you just squeegee out. Sometimes I go with a soft card first, just to lock it in place. Then you can go with these type of squeegees afterwards. The soft card is actually pretty good. I use it a lot. So get a bunch of these if you're tinting, because you can use it even to squeegee out the water. It's not a problem even, as you can see. Right guys, so this is what it looks like after tinting. This is how it turned out. I know it's a little bit hard to see, but no bubbles whatsoever. Perfectly tinted back window.